Welcome students to Faith Academy's online classes for class 6th Maths. This is the first part of the many educational videos that have been designed for you to keep in touch with your studies while you are at home. Today we will start with a topic that is well known to you and which you have already done in the previous classes. The chapter that we will start is Knowing Our Numbers, which is the first lesson of your NCERT book. But before we start with the chapter, let us first look into what is a number. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. The original examples are the natural numbers which start with 1 and goes on till infinity. Calculations with numbers are done with arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Before we talk about formation of numbers, let us understand what is a digit. A digit is a single symbol used to make numerals. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the 10 digits we use in everyday numerals. Let us continue and understand how bigger numbers are formed. A number is an arranged group of digits. Numbers may be formed with or without the repetition of digits. For this, we will take the example of 867, where 8, 6 and 7 are the digits forming the number. To understand more about formation of numbers, we need to understand that digits can be arranged in multiple ways to form different numbers. For example, we take 3 digits 5, 2 and 7, and using these 3 digits we can form 6 different numbers, and they are 257, 275, 527, 572, 725 and 752. Now that we have learned how to make different numbers using given digits, let us learn how to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the digits given at hand. Let us first look at the example where the digits given are 2, 7, 3 and 5. Now using these 4 digits, we have to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. First, let us make the greatest 4-digit number. The greatest digit is placed in the thousands place and the smaller digits are placed in descending order in hundreds, tens and ones place respectively. So then, using this system, we will put 7 in the thousands place, 5 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place, which makes the greatest 4-digit number to be 7532. Similarly, when forming the smallest 4-digit number, the smallest digit is placed in the thousands place and the greater digits are placed in ascending order in the hundreds, tens and ones position respectively. Again, using the same system, the smallest digit, which is 2, is placed in the thousands place, 3 in the hundreds place, 5 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place, which makes the smallest 4-digit number to be 2357. Now let us look to the second example. As we have already seen before, we will again form the greatest 4-digit number using 4, 0, 9 and 6. And the number so formed is, come on, take a guess. Yes, you are correct. It's 9640. Coming to the smallest 4-digit number, you have to guess again. Yes, it is correct. It's 4069. Now children, you must always remember that when we are forming the smallest 4-digit number, we will never put 0 in the thousands place because 0 does not have value before the number, but it has value only after the number. So as you can see here, 0469 is not a 4-digit number but is a 3-digit number, which is 469. Children, we have learnt how to form the greatest and the smallest numbers without repeating the digits. And now we will learn how to form the same using repetition of digits. So let us take an example. We have to make a 4-digit number using the digits 2, 4 and 6. As we can see, we only have 3 digits here, but we have to make a 4-digit number. So how can we do that? In this case, we are talking about the greatest 4-digit number. So we will repeat the greatest digit twice. That is, 6 will be placed in the thousands place. Again, 6 will be placed in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. And so our greatest 4-digit number becomes 6642. Now you may ask, why did we only repeat 6? We could have repeated the other digits. So I want you to look at these 3 numbers and compare for yourself which will be the greatest among these 3. 6642 or 6442 or 6422. Now coming to the smallest 4-digit number, in this case we will repeat the smallest digit of the 3. So 2 will be placed in the thousands place. Again, 2 will be placed in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. So the smallest 4-digit number formed is 2246. Again, I'll give you 3 numbers for you to compare and see which will be the smallest among these. 2246 or 2446 or 2466. The next topic that we will learn is a topic that we have known from class first. If you remember children, in the previous classes, you were told to fill in the blanks with greater than, less than and equal to signs. It's the same concept, but now we call it comparing of numbers. What does the word compare mean? It just means to note the similarity or dissimilarity between two objects. So when we talk about comparing of numbers in maths, we are looking at which number is greater than the other number. Since it's a topic that you know very well, I'll give you 2 questions in which you have to yourself compare the numbers. Between 4579 and 6549, which is the greater one? Yes, you are correct. It is 6549. And between 38,659 and 38,656, which is the greater one? Again, you are correct. It is 38,659. See, that was very easy. Moving on to the next topic. This is a topic that you have already done in 4th and 5th. So we are just revising our topics and making our basics very strong. The topic is ascending order. I understand that you know it, so we'll just revise it, right? Now the question here is, what is ascending order? Numbers are said to be in ascending order when they are arranged from the smallest to the largest number. Here are few numbers and I want you to arrange them in ascending order. 2569, 6689, 3532 and 5478. I will give you 20 seconds to arrange them in ascending order and then let's compare if we got our answers correct. So 2569 is less than 3532, which is less than 5478, which is less than 6689. So how many of you got the answers correct? Children, we have to remember that whenever we are arranging in ascending order, we have to put the less than sign between the numbers to show the gradual increase in the value of numbers. Can you guess what will be the next topic? I think you got it right. It is descending order. So the most important question at hand is, what is descending order? Numbers are said to be in descending order when they are arranged from the largest to the smallest number. Here are few numbers for you to arrange in descending order: 3569, 5689, 4532 and 7478. Again, I'll give you 20 seconds to arrange the numbers in descending order. Hope you are done. So the answer is 7478 is greater than 5689, which is greater than 4532, which is greater than 3569. I hope all of you got your answers correct. Children, again we will remember that whenever we are arranging in descending order, we have to put the greater than sign between the numbers to show the gradual decrease in the value of the numbers. With this, we conclude today's class. Here are some questions for you to practice. Hope you will revise the topics and be prepared for the next class.